Welcome to the Weekly Roundup Report with Chloe's Auto Repair and Tire. Today we are at our Dallas, Georgia location. Come on in. This is our owner, Jack Chapman of the Dallas location. He also owns the Kennesaw location.
Hey, how you doing, folks? Welcome. Why don't you come back and see what we got going on in the shop?
Jackson, what you got going on today?
All right, today we have a 2016 BMW 740i. Came in for some other repairs, and we're doing some extra inspections as well. They had a coolant leak, so we were pressure testing it. We have a leak from the auxiliary radiator. It was likely caused by a rock collision. So we're likely going to do a radiator and then possibly try and find an aftermarket grill mesh to prevent it from happening again. But that's what we have on it right now.
Thank you. Brian, what are you working on this Kia?
So currently I'm working on an oil change and a check engine light. When I first scanned the vehicle, it came in with a timing code, timing over advance. I heard a rattling sound when I first started the vehicle. So the first thing I wanted to check was for oil level, and currently the oil is empty, indicating that there's no oil pressure on the timing tensioner, which could be causing the rattling. Just gonna further inspect and go from there.
Thank you very much. Christian, what are you working on this Audi?
This is a Audi 2015. It came in for underboost. We were checking out the turbo. It's definitely losing some vacuum, so we're gonna replace the turbo and work from there.
Thank you very much. Francois, what do you got working on this morning?
This one right here, it came in to get brakes and tires inspected. His wife is going out of town. All the tires are actually sitting over there by a tire machine. I had recommended 4 tires alignment and also rear brakes. The rear brakes are between 3 and 4 millimeters. And with her going on a long trip out of town, better to get them done now than being stuck on the side of the road somewhere, you know?
Absolutely. Zach is our service advisor here on this Chevrolet, and he's going to explain what we're doing to this vehicle.
So the customer came in with complaints of a rattle noise on startup. We pulled the valve cover and found that the timing chain was loose. So basically we sold a R&R on pulling the timing cover and inspecting. Upon inspection, we found that the actual other tension guide has came apart and the chain is actually laying inside of the oil pan. So in that case, now we are struggling with the insurance company to get an engine sold on it because you can't do that repair.
Gotcha. Thank you.